there! In today's video, we're checking out two very different places to crash for the night in Japan. First up, a luxury room in Tokyo that costs 50,000 yen a night, and then we'll compare it to a budget-friendly spot just over 3,000 yen. Ready to see how to balance your travel budget with a bit of luxury? Let's dive into these two extremes. If you've ever been to Tokyo, you know the hotel rooms can be tiny, like matchboxes. Sometimes you can barely open your suitcase, and the beds that are supposed to fit two people feel like single bed. But this time, we got to stay in the heart of Tokyo in a room that was a total game changer. It had a queen-size bed, a cozy sofa with a tea table, a corridor with a closet, and a huge bathroom with a bathtub. And the best part, the location, it's in a neighborhood full of high-end retailers and sits right above a metro station. Welcome to the Mercure Tokyo Ginza. This place is super comfy and modern with a hint of French flair. It's not all about the design, but there are some cool stylish touches throughout. The hotel is in this sleek glass and steel building. Right at the entrance, you'll see their signature red awning and door panels, which look pretty inviting. Once you step inside, the lobby welcomes you with a spacious vibe, featuring a red-paneled reception desk, some gold-toned niches, and modern red sofas and chairs on a beautiful marble floor. As you wander around, you'll notice black and white photos of iconic French architecture and imagery, both framed and as large wall posters. It gives the place a cheeky, artistic feel. Now let us give you a quick tour of our room at the Mercure Tokyo Ginza. By Tokyo standards, the room is pretty spacious. The double-glazed windows with blackout drapes do an awesome job keeping out the noise while giving you some great city views. The headboard is this nice rosy-colored wood that matches a lot of the other furniture, giving the room a cozy vibe. You'll find all the usual amenities like air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, smartphone docks, safes, kettles, and minibars. The room we stayed in even had an espresso machine. The bathroom was surprisingly big compared to other hotels in Japan. It had brightly lit mirrors, beautiful gray-veined marble counters with white vessel sinks, and a shower and tub combo. There were also magnifying mirrors and hair dryers, making it super convenient. Now let's talk about the dining area. Le Bistro de la Chanson is their bar and restaurant. It has this cozy atmosphere with soft lighting and classic red and white checkered tablecloths on simple tile floors, perfect for a relaxing meal or drink. This hotel is a hotspot for both tourists and business travelers, and it's easy to see why. First off, the location is unbeatable. Nestled in a prime shopping district, you're just a 2-minute walk away from top-notch stores like Chanel and Louis Vuitton. But that's not all. There are plenty of other cool places to check out nearby, and getting around is a breeze with several metro stations just around the corner. So if you're looking for a place to stay in Tokyo with a blend of comfort, modern style, and a touch of French charm, this hotel is definitely worth checking out. Now let's look at a budget-friendly way to spend a night in Japan, saving both money and time. After the JR Rail Pass price hike, budget travelers are opting for the night bus. This option lets you board late at night and reach your destination early in the morning. Not only is the fare nearly half the price of the Shinkansen or domestic flights, but it's also more convenient. Plus, you save on a night's accommodation. It's quite a deal. Let us show you what the beds in the bus look like and then share how to buy tickets. This time, we traveled from Nagoya to Yokohama with Willer Express. We got the relaxed type seats, which have head covers for privacy. The seats are very spacious with plenty of room between the front and back. You can recline the seat and adjust the calf rest for better leg support. The bus is equipped with charging port, so no more worrying about your phone running out of battery. The relaxed seats come with pillows that provide great support whether you're sitting or reclining. You can also adjust the pillows to find your perfect position. And of course, don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. There are blankets available if you need them. They also have a ladies section, so if you're a female passenger, you'll always have another female sitting next to you, making it safe to travel alone. This seat type doesn't have a washroom on the bus, but it stops at multiple service areas during the 7-hour drive. You can use the toilet, buy snacks and drinks, stretch your legs and back, or just get some fresh air at these stops. We caught the bus in Nagoya at midnight and arrived in Yokohama at 6:30 a.m. It saved us a night's accommodation fee, and we got to travel to another city while we slept, all for just 400 yen per person. Now let's show you how to buy tickets online. Prices vary depending on the bus company, seat comfort type, bus type, and the travel date. Weekday fares are cheaper, but prices go up on weekends, holidays, summer vacations, and during Golden Week. Japan has many night buses, but Willer's website stands out for its clarity and ease of use. As a foreigner, there's no need to worry about language barriers. The homepage supports bus reservations in multiple languages. First, enter your journey details on the page, whether it's a one-way or round-trip ticket, your origin, destination, departure date, and the number of passengers. You'll see the lowest monthly prices and available bus seat types for your route. Next, choose your bus from the search results. With numerous night buses running daily, pick one that fits your schedule and budget. Then, select your boarding and arrival points. Remember, once you choose your pickup and drop-off points, they can't be changed. After that, select the number of passengers and their genders. This helps avoid men and women sitting together unless preferred. Once everything looks good, hit the Continue Reservation button to proceed. Most payments can be made by credit card, and you'll get a confirmation email with your booking details. You'll also get a departure confirmation email about 3-4 hours before boarding on the day you leave. This email will have the bus number, a description of the bus, and a travel proof with your name on it. Just show it to the driver when you get on the bus. You can either show the travel proof or take a screenshot on your phone. No need to photocopy or prepare other document. Overall, our first night bus ride in Japan was way more comfy than a long-haul flight. It was quiet and dark, so I could sleep the whole way. Plus, it only cost 4,300 yen and saved us on hotel costs. If you're up for a bit of adventure, you should totally give it a try. Here's how you can keep your budget in check while traveling Japan and still enjoy a little luxury without going overboard. If you're looking for more money-saving tips on getting around Japan, be sure to check out these videos.